Let's continue our discussion of revision of the sample student essay with the conclusion. Usually when I revise my conclusions, I like to have in front of me my final thesis statement, the revised body paragraph topic sentences, however many body paragraphs that is, and in this case there are 3. So let's review those very quickly before we go into the conclusion. The thesis. College is necessary because it enables a person to get a degree, offers better job opportunities, and helps people accomplish their goals. The first body paragraph topic sentence. College is a necessary step for those who wish to achieve a degree. The second. College gives people the education which presents better job opportunities. And the third. College helps people attain long-term goals. So let's take a look now at the student's conclusion. As you can see, these 3 reasons, getting a degree, getting better job offers, and accomplishing goals are why college is necessary. Hopefully this helps people make the right choice for their education. It is a win-win situation all the way around. Not only do people get smarter, but they are also helping secure their future and the future of their families. Okay. First I want to show you that I do have a little key here for you, the effective conclusion, the answer to the so what question, and the restating the thesis. And if you're not sure what these components mean, you probably need to go back and review the conclusion module. So let's go back up here then and let's take a look. All right, we can see now that in blue we have our restatement of the thesis. The green is the answer to her so what question, and the yellow is her effective conclusion. All right, let's go back. Although the conclusion has no specific order, and we've discussed this, like the body paragraph, those 3 components must show up in the conclusion, and they're all here in her conclusion. Notice in this conclusion that the last sentence could function as both the answer to the so what question as well as effectively concluding the paragraph. And that's good. You should aim for that because that's very helpful. I also want you to notice that the thesis statement should not be restated word for word from the original, but this one is pretty close. Okay, so we maybe need to change it a little. In addition, the student used the second person you in the paragraph. I always tell my students to avoid the use of the second person in anything but process writing. Okay? A return to the points made in the introduction often will assist you with your conclusion. So let's take a little chance and see if we can rewrite this thing. Many people believe that college is an unnecessary, expensive waste of time. However, students who earn their degree are the best evidence that college provides opportunities in the world. As the competitive job economy dictates the need for more educated employees, graduates will discover that their long-term goals are easier to achieve while working in the field that they love. Perhaps happiness in life is the most important result of a college education. As Confucius said, quote, "Choose a job you love, and you will never work a day in your life," end quote. All right, so let's go back through and look at my paragraph, my conclusion. Many people believe that college is an unnecessary, expensive waste of time. Okay, the opening sentence doesn't really fall under any of the 3 major necessary components to a conclusion, and that's okay. But it does a good job of introducing the conclusion, and it reminds the reader what the argument was in the first place. Remember, this is an argument essay, and if you'll go back to the introduction, you will see that this point is mentioned, that some people don't believe college is necessary. Okay, then I say, however, students who earn their degree are the best evidence that college provides opportunities in the world. As the competitive job economy dictates the need for more educated employees, graduates will discover that their long-term goals are easier to achieve while working in the field that they love. This is a restatement of the thesis. And it shows the reader that I've proven my thesis. It's students who earn a degree are the best evidence that college provides an opportunity. Job opportunities and goal opportunities. Okay, and it basically just says students can earn a degree from college, which is all of my thesis statement. Perhaps happiness in life is the most important result of a college education. That's the answer to the so what question. Why is this paragraph important? Why is this essay important? Why is college necessary? Happiness in life. There you go. That's a pretty decent answer to a so what. And then I have effectively concluded the paragraph with a quote. And yes, I ended the conclusion with a quote. I am not providing evidence using the quote, as I did with the quotes in the body paragraphs. So it's okay to end with the quote. And actually, I enjoy ending essays with quotes. I wouldn't say do it every time you do an essay, but it is an effective end to this entire essay. So now we're going to take a look at the works cited sheet. And then you can take a look and compare the sample student essay and the sample student essay revision.